Hi my unicorns, welcome back to my channel. So this is my hair from Sogoodhair. I love their packaging so much. So let me show you what I got inside. So I got a hairband and I also got a little care package to do with my wig, and the items inside is of course a band for the wig, a edge control brush, and then I have a edge holder, and then I also have tweezers, some bobby pins, and a wig cap. So I really like their little care package, and that's probably like the funnest part of their packaging. So now I'm going to show you guys this wig. Now this wig to me is super bomb because I like how the wig has its bleach knots and it's curled at the bottom but it's flat at the top. Like, that is a look to me. So I can't wait to style this wig on. Look how the knots are already bleached. They look great. It's going to blend with my skin, and that's the best thing when it comes to So Good wigs, that they blend with your skin, and their wigs are just so natural. And yeah, so I'm ready to slip this on my head right now. So I'm going to put this on my head and glue this down. So this is what it looks like on my head. I like to see that. Stop, London. I like to see that it, looks perfect with my head shape. Like, it's fitting tight. It looks good. Now it's time to lay that wig down. So it's laid down. Glued down so that I can cut that lace off. And now you see the lace is cut, and that's the baby hairs. I didn't get that on camera, but look how nice the baby hairs look. It looks nice and natural. That's the good thing about this wig. Sorry, my daughter kind of threw me off a little bit, but it looks bomb. And now the wig is finished and complete. So hopefully you guys kind of enjoy this quick little video. Don't forget to check out Sogoodhair, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.